Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 15 amazing iPhone features that you probably didn't know existed. These are features that are hidden within iOS and they're actually very useful, so you should know about them. Starting things off with live photos. Did you know that you can actually trim live photos just like you do with videos? You go ahead and go to the Photos app, go to one of your live photos, tap the edit button and click this little circle right there. Now here you will have the tool that lets you choose the key photo for your live photo, but you will also have these two little arrows right here that allow you to trim any live photo. So if you want to cut any part of a live photo, you want to make it shorter, then you can do that from here. Now, if live photos are usually like 5 seconds long, you can make them way shorter by using the trim tool. Click the done button and you're good to go. Now you will have a trimmed live photo. When you go to one of your emails, you will have the delete button right here, but did you know that it actually has two different functions, not just delete? You go ahead, tap on it and hold, and it will show you the 3D touch menu from where you can trash the message, which means that you will delete the message, or you can go ahead and place it on archive. So if you want to archive it, not delete it, you can do that quickly from the delete menu. If you go to the settings of your iPhone and go to accessibility, right here we'll find zoom. Now if you enable zoom, it will be very hard to swipe with your fingers here to move through the page, but you will have an option right here called zoom controller. You enable this and it will show you this controller, which is really useful. You will also have controller actions, like right here you can see if I just tap on it, it will basically zoom by double tapping, zoom in and out. I tap and hold and I will be able to move anywhere on the screen. So you can see you can place it anywhere you want, tap and hold on it, and you can go ahead and easily move with one finger on the zoomed screen of your iPhone, which is of course way easier than doing it with 3 fingers like this. On the video app, you will have the option to shoot quick video. So all you have to do is just tap and hold here and it will start shooting a video. Now you can lock it right there, but what I'm talking about here is the burst mode. Now how do you do a burst mode picture if holding this will shoot a video? All you have to do is just tap here and swipe to the left like this and you will shoot burst pictures. And if you're on iOS 14, then you can go to the settings and go to the camera settings and you will have an option here to use the volume up button to shoot burst pictures. So just tap the volume up button and you will be able to quickly shoot burst pictures. You can also take a quick video from the camera app by tapping and holding the volume down button. So tap and hold and it will be shooting video for as long as you're holding the button. Once you release, the video is done. So as easy as that, you can quickly shoot a video from anywhere here without having to go to the video mode. Now sometimes you might want to shoot a video with music playing in the background on your iPhone. That can easily be done from the stock camera app. Now if you're playing music and you go to the camera app and you go to the video mode and start shooting a video, it will stop the music from playing in the background. But there is a trick to it. All you have to do is, while music playing in the background on the photo mode here, tap and hold and then just drag right there to the lock, and now you're shooting video and the music is still playing in the background. Of course, that music will be heard on the video when you're playing the video after you have done recording it. So want to shoot a video with music in the background, just tap, hold, swipe like this and you're good to go. On the settings app, if you go to general and go to iPhone storage, then right here of course you will find all of your apps and it will show you how much space they're taking on your iPhone. But if you scroll down right here, you will find a section that says on my iPhone. Now here you will be able to find all the files that you have saved locally on your iPhone. If you tap here, then it will show you a list of all of those files. And of course at the top you will see the bigger files and then the smaller ones at the bottom, and also you will have the folders as well, where you can also find all the other files that are within those folders. And the good thing is that you can tap the edit button and go ahead and delete any one of them from here, or just swipe like this to delete any file from your iPhone to free up space. On Safari, if you go to the history section, you will of course find all the history right here. If you tap the clear button, you will have the option to clear the complete history, to clear the history of today, yesterday, today, or just the last hour. Or what you can do is just simply swipe like this and you can delete any of the items that are on the history list. So individually clear any item from the history on Safari. On your iOS device, if you want to quickly select a word, all you have to do is just place the cursor there, double tap anywhere on the screen, and it will select that text. Now this can be done on a text like a note or a message or whatever text you're on iOS. Or if you want to completely select like a sentence, just like this one, you can triple tap there and it will completely select the whole sentence. So double tap for the last word, triple tap for the complete sentence. On your iPhone, if you go to settings, go to accessibility and go to spoken content, you will find here speak selection. Basically, it will speak out loud anything that you have on the screen. But here you will also have like some other options. If you go to highlight content, then you will have here the option to enable highlight content. So basically what it will do, it will highlight the content that it's actually reading. So you will have here words, sentences, and also words and sentences. So whatever you want to highlight, you can go ahead and select here. Now you can underline or you can add a background color. If you add a background color, then here we'll have the option for sentence and word as well. So you can choose, of course, different colors for each one of these directly from the list here. On speak content, you will also find speech controller, which basically allows you to control the speaking of your iPhone. So you go ahead and enable it right there, and you will have here like two different options, long press and double tap, and you can choose different actions for each one of them from here. So basically double tap or long press to perform any of those actions. And if you just tap here, it will expand and it will show you the player here, which allows you to set how fast you want your iPhone to read and of course play and pause directly from here. On the battery settings of your iPhone, if you go ahead and take a look at the apps that are using your battery, what you can do is just tap on one of them and then it will show you detailed information regarding each of the apps and how much they have used the battery of your iPhone on the screen and also in the background, which is really important to know which apps are consuming more battery on your iPhone. Also, if you go to the top, you will see the chart here of the battery, and of course you will see these like blue lines. If you tap on one of them, it will show you detailed like information regarding that specific hour. It will show that right here for the whole activity and also for the apps individually right down below. Now the last couple of features I'm about to show you guys are features that can be found on iOS 14, but of course in a few weeks it will be available to the public, so you should know these features. If you go to Bluetooth right here, you will notice that you will have your devices right here. Now with iOS 13 you will be able to rename your AirPods, but with iOS 14 you can go to any of the Bluetooth devices and from here you will be able to rename them to anything you want. So any one of your Bluetooth devices that are connected to your iPhone can be renamed under iOS 14. Another really cool feature of iOS 14 is shape recognition. Now, if you take a screenshot and you want to mark up something, so I want to make a circle here, all I have to do is just tap and hold and it will recognize that shape and of course will make it look much better. Or like maybe an arrow right here, so tap and hold and you can see it will recognize the shape and will make it how it should look. Now Apple did present this feature, but they presented it on the iPad, and of course a lot of people didn't know that you can also do this on the iPhone. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. These are 15 amazing hidden features of your iPhone that you might not even know existed. So I suggest you learn them and of course use them, as they're very useful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Also, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more. And I'll see you on the next one.